Alright, how far now? Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey happen? I still dey here to tell you say real estate na good investment opportunity. Make use of it, okay? Don't ever say you don't have millions in your account. You have it, if only you will accept that you have it and prepare yourself to receive it. But for you wey the cash already dey inside your account, you no get excuse. You know how much be dollar now? You wan make I remind you how far? Hey, dollar is over 1,000 naira now. If you have $1,000, you have 1 million naira. That money, if you buy land, the time wey you sell that land na the current value wey money dey that time, na you go sell your land. But if you keep the naira for your account, e dey lose value. You get me? When dollar na 500 naira, you get 1 million naira for account. Now dollar don be how much? Be 1,000 naira. Some people dey say above 1,000. That means say your 1 million don drop to 500,000. But if na land you get, and you buy land last year or last 2 years or last 3 years, you wan sell the land like this, na the current value wey naira be now na you dey sell am. E no go reduce. So you see say you dey gain on every angle. Land no dey rot ten, land no dey spoil. Na im make you suppose call Madam Peco Africa on 09034296519. Port-Harcourt, Lagos and Abuja. We cover everywhere with genuine real estate company. If you have a good real estate company, 50% of your problem about property is solved. You understand? Because good payment plan dey if you no get complete money. And again, the issue of saying you dey go bush entry and all of these things don dey sorted out. The issue wey be say some land owners go sell one particular plot of land for 3, 4, 5, 10 people. That kind issue no go ever fit arise if you buy from me. That's why you need to call me on 09034296519. Madam Peco Africa dey wait for you, and you know say I love you. Na im make I dey give you good news from the goodness of my heart. Alright, bye.